store if if you don't want them. So that will be very different. And the other thing is there will be one-way systems in place in some of these large department stores. So there's going to be signage all around on the floor and everywhere you look, giving you a one-way system, and there'll be plenty of staff around too. The other thing, people will be wearing masks. It's not going to be compulsory to wear them, of course, but many of the larger retailers are encouraging their staff to wear masks and will be providing their staff with that personal protective equipment if necessary. So that may be another type of, I suppose, making the shopping experience a little bit different, in that you will be seeing people wearing masks and regularly sanitising their hands.
So you are going to be inside one of the Oxford Street stores for us later in the programme, are you? At least we hope you are.
I am. I'm going to be going into Selfridges in the next 15 minutes, so I will report back and I will let you know. Selfridges is going to open at 11 this morning, but I'm going to get a sneak peek and I'll be able to explain to you what it looks like once I go in.
Fantastic. Barry, thank you very much indeed. Barry Caffrey there reporting from Oxford Street, where the shops are getting ready to do some trade this morning. Boris wants it to be a roaring trade. He says we've all got to go and shop with Morgans. It's our civic duty to get shopping, spend some money and save some jobs for people, because if we don't go shopping, the jobs will close and they'll fold up and you'll be able to make a living. So we kind of owe it to everybody else to go and do some shopping. Let's talk to Dominic Stead. He is the owner of Sporting Feet in Putney and Richmond. Hi Dominic, morning.
Good morning, Vanessa.
We spoke to you before and you talked about, and it was quite